Hi. The previous session we have studied composition of functions. In this we are going to study composition of three functions. Let us consider three functions. F is from A to B, G is from B to C, and H is from C to D. From A there is a function F to B. From B there is a function G to C, and from C there is a function H to D. Function H is from C to D, function G is from B to C, and function F is from A to B. We have studied the composition of two functions. If you connect the set A and C, the composition of two functions F and G, it is denoted by G composition F. And if you connect B and D, there are two functions H and G. This is a composition of H composition G. Now look at, this is one function. Now we have another function. If you consider this as one function, this is another function, we can write the composition of A and D. If you connect these two, this is from A to C, this is from B to D. If you connect A and D through F and H is a composition G, or G composition F and H. ஒன்று இப்படி போகலாம், இல்லை இப்படி வரலாம். If you go like this, first function G composition F, then H, then this is H composition of G composition F. This is first function F, another one H composition G, means it is H composition G composition F. Look at, both starts from A, ends D, but the names are, we have two composition functions, H composition of G composition F, H composition G composition F. Here the brackets are interchanged, but both are same function. Therefore H composition G composition F is equal to H composition G composition F. This is the associative property of composition of functions. In composition of functions, not commutative, but the associative property holds. This is the composition of three functions. Fg means it is G composition F. G composition F and H, it is H composition G composition F. If you consider this is F, G and H, H composition G, F and H composition G, this is H composition G composition F. Both are same functions, they are equal. This is the composition of three functions. Now we are going to study some problems in composition of three functions. They are very important 5-mark questions, often asked questions. Example 1.23. If f of x equal to 2x plus 3, g of x equal to 1 minus 2x, and h of x equal to 3x, prove that f composition G composition H equal to f composition G composition H. Just now we have studied composition function is associative. Prove that means left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Let us start solution. We are going to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. So first one, given, what all given? The functions f of x defined by 2x plus 3 and g of x defined by 1 minus 2x, and h of x is defined 3 into x. First one, left hand side. What is left hand side? F composition G composition H. First find what is given in the bracket. What is given? G composition of H of x is equal to, what is the meaning? It is G of H of x. When you remove the composition, it will be function of function, G of H of x, which is equal to G of, what is H of x? H of x equal to 3x. Before that, understand what is a function of x. f will multiply 2 then add 3. G first multiply 2 then it will subtract from 1. h multiply 3. h என்ன பண்ணணும், வர்றது அப்படியே 3 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம். f 2 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு ப்ளஸ் 3 ஆட் பண்ணோம். g என்ன பண்ணணும்னா 2 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு 1 இருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் g of h of x லேச்சு. what is h of x? 3 into x we have written. G of means we got to see g என்ன பண்ணா 1 minus 2 into நடக்கும். So which is equal to 1 minus 2 into what is inside 3x. So which is equal to 1 minus 2 3s are 6x. Therefore this is g composition h of x. இப்போ ரெண்டு சேர்ந்து என்ன பண்ணோம்னா 6 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு 1 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடும். 1 ல சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடும். 6 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு 1 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடும். இது 2 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி 1 ல சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும். இது 3 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்து 6 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு 1 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்றது தான் what is the composition g composition h. Now therefore f composition g composition h of x is equal to, first now we have defined இது ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனை கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். இது ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இது ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இடையில இருக்கு காம்போசிஷன். அப்போ f of இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன வரும், g composition h of x which is equal to f of, what is g composition h of x? G composition of h of x equal to 1 minus 6x. So 1 minus 6x. Now f என்ன பண்ணோம், 2 multiply பண்ணி 3 add பண்ணோம். 2 multiply பண்ணிட்டு plus 3. What is inside? 1 minus 6x. Now 2 into 2 terms are there. Multiply 2 inside. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 6 are 12x plus 3. These two numbers same terms. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 minus 12x. What is this? F composition g composition h of x. It is equation number 1. So we have found the left hand side. Now found the right hand side. What is our, let us find the right hand side. What is the right hand side? Right hand side is equal to f composition g composition h. What is given in the bracket? F composition g. Let us find the function of x is equal to f of g of x is equal to f of, what is g of x? G of x equal to 1 minus 2x. It is 1 minus 2x which is equal to f of something. What is the work of f? Multiply 2 then add 3. So it is 2 into plus 3. What is inside? 1 minus 2x. Now multiply 2 inside. 2 minus 2 to 4x plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 minus 4x. What is this? F composition g of x. Now our right answer is f composition g composition h of x is equal to, இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இது ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இடையில என்ன இருக்கு, காம்போசிஷன். So it is f composition g of h of x which is equal to f composition g of, what is h of x? H of x equal to 3x. So into 3x which is equal to, now look at what is the work of f composition g. Multiply 4 then subtract from 5. So it is 5 minus multiply 4 with what is inside 3x. So now this is equal to 5 minus 4 3s are 12x. What is this? F composition g composition h of x. This is equation number 2. Now look at equation number 1, 5 minus 12x. Equation number 2, 5 minus 12x. Therefore right hand sides are equal, so left hand sides are equal. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get, what we get? F composition g composition h is equal to f composition g composition h. So very simple and very important 5 mark question. So first thing we are writing the given and we are going to find left hand side and right hand side. First write left hand side. What is given in the bracket? G composition h. So g composition h of x equal to, when you remove the composition it will be g of h of x, function of function. So what is given inside the function h of x? So g of, what is h of x? 3x. What is the work of g? 1 minus 2 into x. So 1 minus 2 into what is here? 3x. So 2 into 3x, 6x. So 1 minus 6x the function. G's composition in H. Now F composition, G composition H. F of G composition H. What is G composition H? 1 minus 6x. So 1 minus 6x. Then F of something. What is F? 1 minus, 2 into plus 3. So 2 into plus 3. Multiply 2 inside. 2 minus 12x plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 12x. Equation number 1. It is left hand side. Now right hand side. F composition G composition H. F composition G composition H. What is given in the bracket? F composition G. Find first. F composition G of x equal to, when you remove composition, it is F of G of x. What is given inside? G of x. Apply G of x equal to 1 minus 2x given. So F of 1 minus 2x. What is the work of F? Multiply 2, then add 3. So 2 into plus 3. What is inside? 1 minus 2x. So multiply 2 inside. 2 minus 4x plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 minus 4x. It is the function of F composition G. Then F composition G composition H equal to, this is a composition. F composition G of H of x. What is H of x? 3x. F composition G of 3x. What is the work of F composition G? Multiply 4, then subtract from 5. So 5 minus 4 into, இந்த இடத்துல என்ன வந்துரும்? 3x வந்துரும். 4 3s are 12, so 5 minus 12x. It is equation number 2. See equation number 1 and 2. Right hand sides are equal. 5 minus 12x, 5 minus 12x. Therefore right and left hand sides are equal. F composition G composition H. F composition G composition H. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get. It's a very simple and very important question. They will ask this question often. Now see the exercise 1.5, question number 8. Consider the functions f of x, g of x, h of x given below. Show that f composition G composition H is equal to f composition G composition H in each case. First one, f of x equal to x minus 1, g of x equal to 3x plus 1, h of x equal to x square. What is f of x? Just subtract 1. G of x, multiply 3 and add 1. H of x, square the number. F என்ன பண்ணுனா வர என்ன கொடுக்கறோமோ ஒண்ணு சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடும். G of x 3 ஐ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு ஒண்ணு ஆட் பண்ணும். H of x அப்படியே வரத ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணும். அதனால இது ரெண்டு ஈக்குவலான நம்ம சொல்லணும். ஈக்குவல் சொல்லணும். That is a question. So 3 questions are given. We are going to prove. The functions are different here. What is the first function? Subtraction. Here square. Here minus 4. So the order மாறி இருக்கும். We have to verify left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. They will be equal. So solve these 3 questions as a homework. Let us solve question number 3. Question number 8, subdivision 3. The remaining 2 questions, solve yourself. Any one of the 4 questions will be asked as a 5-mark question. So subdivision number 3, f of x equal to x minus 4, g of x equal to x square and h of x equal to 3x minus 5. So first one, let us find the left hand side. What is left hand side? Left hand side is equal to f composition G composition H. So first one, what is given in the bracket? F composition G of x is equal to, it is f of g of x, which is equal to f of, what is the work of g of x? Square. It is x square. Now look at what is the function of x? Subtract 4. What is given inside? X square minus 4. So this is the work of f composition G of x. Now therefore f composition G composition H of x is equal to, now this is a composition function, it is f composition G of H of x, which is equal to f composition G of, what is H of x? H of x equal to 3x minus 5. Now what is the work of f composition G? Square then subtract. Square then subtract 4. What is given inside? 3x minus 5. So let us expand, then only we can verify the left hand side and right hand side equal or not. So a minus b the whole square formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square is equal to 3x the whole square, it is 9x square minus 2ab, 2a means 5 2s are 10, 10 into 3, 30x plus b square is equal to 5 square, 5 square is equal to 25 minus 4. Therefore this is equal to 9x square minus 30x, 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. What is this? F composition G composition H of x. Equation number 1. Now right hand side equal to, right hand side, what is right hand side? Right hand side is equal to F composition G composition H. F composition of G composition H. So what is given in the bracket? G composition H of X is equal to, it is G of H of X. It is G of, what is H of X? 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5. Now what is the work of G? Square. So it is 3x minus 5 square. So what is this? A minus b the whole square. Just we can write. This question we need not write full. Anyway, we can stop up to this. Expand. 3x whole square is equal to 9x square minus 2ab. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 3, 30x plus b square. 5 square is equal to 25. This is G composition of H of X. Now right hand side is equal to F composition G composition H of X, which is equal to, this is the composition F of G composition H of X, which is equal to F of, what is G composition H of X, is equal to 9x square minus 30x plus 25. What is the work of F? Just subtract 4. Whatever inside, subtract 4. So 9x square minus 30x plus 25 minus 4. So 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. So 9x square minus 30x plus 21. This is the right hand side. F composition G composition H of X. So it is equation number 2. Now look at equation number 1. 9x square minus 30x plus 21. 9x square minus 30x plus 21. So therefore left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Therefore left hand sides are equal. So from 1 and 2 we see left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore F composition G composition H is equal to F composition C composition H. So like this you can solve the remaining two subdivisions also as a homework. Thank you.